This video we are assembling the bride and groom candy wrap. So I have the pieces to the bride and the groom laid out, and these are really simple, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Excuse me, all of a sudden my voice is so the base, you're just going to fold on all the score lines. You'll notice on this one, the inside flap does not go all the way to the edge. And even though I don't have a candy bar this time to put in here, these fit a regular sized Hershey bar. I believe the Crunch bar is also that same size as the Hershey. So these can be favors for a wedding. They can be used in a bridal shower, at a bachelor party. I just filled my glue and it's coming out a little heavy. The necklace, it goes from one corner to the other. It's just our little pearl necklace. I think the wedding dress would look really pretty with maybe a tone-on-tone print, or embossing it would be really pretty. Now the band is these 5 pieces. I have put a foam square on the back of this. I'm going to pop this up. And so there we go. You're going to take your band and you're going to, not too tightly, work it around. And I made it too long, so I'm going to just snip this off. Find a pair of scissors. And I'm going to put glue on the flip this around so you can see. I'll put glue here on the end and on the end here. Squeeze that together, make sure that's glued. Slide this back on. what I'm getting stuck on. There we go. There we go. There is the bride. Now the groom. Again, you're just going to fold everything up on the score lines. We're going to flip this over and glue the lapels. I did take, I couldn't find my white, so I used a silver ink pad so that you can tell that the jacket has lapels. If you hear the crying in the background, I mentioned in another video, I took in a stray cat and she had babies. She was pregnant, and so she has 8 babies. And right now they're back there crying. They are 2 weeks old. They are super duper sweet. So then you can see I'm just centering the tie here on this white piece. And what I'm going to do here at the top, let me mention that the white piece looks like this, and there is a score line, and you fold that over. That makes the collar. You want to tuck the tie under the collar, and then I'm going to put the glue on this flap. And you're just going to line this up right to the top, side to side. Then when you fold that over, you have a suit tie. Then we're going to take the band and again I'm going to put glue at the edge of each tip. You don't want to do this too tight because you want to be able to slide this off and on. And there is our groom. So there is the bride and the groom candy bar wrap. Thank you for joining me.